Hi everyone, welcome back to another simple short vlog. In fact, I was out of content and was not sure what to vlog, but had taken so many clips here and there. So thought I'll clip together as those are glimpses of my life these days. Hope you would like this simple short video. I think I'd already shown how I fold men's t-shirts or my kids' t-shirts. I think it was in one of the videos where I had organized my husband's wardrobe. More than outwear, my kids need dress to be worn at home because they play around, get sweaty, play outdoor in the evenings with few of their friends from the neighborhood, and their dress gets really dirty. So they have more number of t-shirts, pants and trousers that need to be worn as a daily wear. You just have to pinch on the points I've shown and turn the same way. It's easy. I had bought a 4-tire organizer for their daily wears from Amazon. It's really convenient and kids themselves can handle it. It gets a bit messy after some time, which is quite normal, so I give an organization once in a while. Recently, Mama Earth had sent me a couple of their products to try out, and this video was taken when it had arrived. Before reviewing about them in this video, I wanted to try for myself for at least 1 week and see how it is. I'm quite happy with the product, hence sharing with you all, and I do review only of which I'm fully satisfied. I have mentioned this even before. So they have sent me this vitamin C forming face wash and a face cream which says bye bye blemishes. Both the products have vitamin C in them, which helps in skin brightening to get a radiant and glowing skin and lots of other benefits. I'll start with the face wash first because that's the first thing you will need for this 2-step skin regime. The best part I love is, usually for any face wash I've used, I take out in my palm, then rub it in my hand and wash my face with it. But this is something different I'm trying. There's a silicone brush on top. It's like an applicator which helps in softly scrubbing your face to remove all the dirt and impurities. It's very gentle and soft to your face. You will have to wash your face first before using any face wash. Now you have to pump out and only one squeeze is required for my face, I feel. They say on a total it contains 250 pumps that last up to 90 days. Do it in a circular motion all over, including your neck. To be honest, before trying this product, I had even checked the reviews on Amazon and was happy to see that many found it useful. After scrubbing for maximum 20 to 25 seconds, just wash your face and pat dry. Along with the face wash, there is this face cream they have sent. It's Mama Earth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. This vitamin C again and has mulberry extract along with daisy flower extract and licorice extract. Again, just a squeeze needed and apply. Now what this face cream does is, it reduces blemishes and pigmentation. It's non-greasy, which is what I like, and absorbs to the skin really quickly. These products are dermatologically tested, containing no harmful chemicals. So that was a quick review of the Mama Earth products that they had sent. Now an amazing part I would love to share, and even I agreed for this review, was that Mama Earth has taken a plant goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, Mama Earth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mama Earth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Isn't this something great? And I wholeheartedly wish them success in this step. The second amazing point is that Mama Earth is plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. They now recycle over 120 metric ton plastic every month. 1 metric ton equals to 1,000 kilos. As a support, or if you like the product benefits, don't forget to order your Mama Earth Vitamin C Forming Face Wash plus Bye Bye Blemishes Face Cream. The purchase link is shared in the description box. And what more? You can use my code Shamsheera 2021 to get 20% off, available only from their website and their app. These products are otherwise available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen the stories I had put a day back on our new venture. We had a launch event and it was in Calicut. So what I wore was a salwar suit bought from a shop in my hometown itself. I shall do a detailed video on the launch and what this project is all about. It's a family project, and my brother-in-law Shejin is the founder. My husband had already left early morning to the hotel where the event was being conducted. Me and my sister-in-law asked our kids to stay home. I went along with them to the hotel. On the way, Shabna had some shopping to be done at Decathlon, and there was still enough time for us. So we went to Highlight Mall, which is in Calicut again. It's good to roam around in this mall. They do have food court on the top floor. Though dine-in isn't allowed, we can still stand and have tea, coffee or snacks from there. And then straight we went to the hotel for the event. Before entering the hall, we went to the room that they had booked in case we wanted to be fresh, and we wouldn't leave that chance. We went for a touch-up. As I said, I shall do a detailed video on this later, so you get to know more about it separately. Back home, I was preparing a simple snack for evening, which is healthy too, so I thought of sharing it with you all. You will have to roast few ingredients: whole wheat flour, semolina or rava, poha or the flattened rice, and roast on low flame. The ingredients should be light brown color after roasting. For a flavor, I added some cardamom powder. Now time to add peanut butter. Here I used plain peanut butter as well as the chocolate peanut butter. I added both. You may use any type. For a sweetness, I had kept some jaggery for melting in a pan on the other burner. But before adding this, for a crunch, I crushed few almonds. You may use any nuts for this. Add this to the mix. And then goes the melted jaggery. Strain for impurities if you are not using organic one. Mix well and then add to a tray. I in fact forgot to line the tray with a baking paper. Press it down evenly with the back of a steel glass. Slice it in bars so that it's easy to take out. Once it cools down, take it out. Now this can be had in bars or squares, or even you may use it like a powder and have a spoon or two. It's either way tasty. My very dear friend Sumi and her family came home to meet us after I think a very long time. The last time I met her was for our housewarming or a couple of days after that, I don't remember much. Her husband couldn't get out of the door as it was locked, so he had to get out from the other side. Sumi is my classmate in 8th standard when I had 1 year schooling in Kerala. We weren't close that time, and then I returned back to Qatar for my 9th. We were again in the same college. She was literature and I was commerce. Not close at that point too. We became close when we were in UAE. Used to have daily chit-chats through our landlines. That actually made our friendship bond more strong. And from there we met each other with families, and we are family friends now. They had to leave back to Calicut in the evening, so they came home after breakfast. She had insisted me not to cook anything for lunch because we would lose the time for our precious chats. So we decided to have lunch outside at a nearby restaurant. And that was a refreshing day for us. So that's all for this short vlog. Shall come back with more content and more lengthy vlogs next time. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.